Next is the current setting. It is often desired to adjust the pickup value of the current at any desired value, and this is possible by using the current settings, and the current settings provides the tappings on the relay operating coil, and that taps are brought out to plug bridge as shown in here. So this is the jaw where the slots are provided and the bridge circuit is provided there for completing it, and that slots are having a setting of, in terms of percentage, from 50 and by the difference of 25%. So 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175 and 200% are the percentile setting for the pickup current. This jaw is connected to the CT terminals. From the CT, the current comes to this jaw, and from the bridge circuit we are providing various tappings which are connected to the relay operating coil. So all the connections are connected to the relay operating coil, and as per our requirement we will put the plug at any desired slot so that the path will be completed. Here the plug is inserted into 100%, that means whatever may be the rated current of the CT will be the actuating current for the circuit breaker. Now the pickup current is calculated as the product of rated secondary current of the CT multiplied by the current setting. As here the 100% is the current setting, that's why the pickup current is nothing but the rated secondary current of the CT. So this is the current setting. Next is the plug setting multiplier, that is PSM. Here the ratio of the fault current in the relay coil to the pickup current of that relay is called as the plug setting multiplier. In the equation form we can say that PSM equals to fault current in the relay coil upon the pickup current, and if we consider the current setting, then placing the value or putting the value of the pickup current from the current setting, we can say that PSM equals to fault current in the relay coil upon rated secondary current of the CT multiplied by the current setting. So this is called as the plug setting multiplier. If we know the value of fault current in the relay coil as well as the pickup current, then we can easily calculate the value of PSM, that is the plug setting multiplier. Now the time setting multiplier, here along with the current we can set the time as we have seen the time delay, and for that purpose we are having a selector switch. So this is the scale for that time setting multiplier. Each division is of 0.05 seconds, and we are having the range of 0 second to 1 second. So as in case of the alternating current supply, we are having 50 cycles in 1 second. That's why we can set the time for the delay from 0 second up to 1 second. That means from 1 cycle up to the 50 cycles. Here we are having a selector switch, that is the knob with pointer, and as per our requirement we can adjust the value of this time setting multiplier at any desired value by rotating this knob clockwise in this manner. So this is regarding the time setting multiplier. Next is the time to plug setting multiplier curve, that is nothing but the characteristic which is plotted between the plug setting multiplier and the time of operation in seconds is nothing but the curve between the time and the PSM. So on the x-axis we mark the PSM, that is the plug setting multiplier, with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on up to 20, as well as the time in seconds up to 12 seconds. Now if we plot the graph, then this will be looks like this. As we goes on increasing the plug setting multiplier, the time of operation in seconds is inversely proportional to the plug setting multiplier. That's why as the current rating or the plug setting multiplier is increased, the time of operation decreases. Simply if we consider here, the plug setting multiplier is having the setting at 2, then the operating time will be up to 11 seconds. But if we shift the plug setting multiplier to 10, then the operating time is reduced to 3 seconds only.